In today's setup, we are going to configure Minikube for our upcoming project. First thing first, let's go ahead and delete the demo cluster that we created. This should have removed our demo cluster. Now let's check if the profile still exists and if the cluster still exists with a couple of more commands. As you can see, we cannot list profiles anymore, and the status gives an error indicating that we don't have any cluster installed anymore. Note that you need to configure values of CPU and memory before starting the cluster, as the cluster would not be able to use it until the cluster is deleted and recreated in Minikube. Now let's go ahead and configure CPUs and memory for Minikube. We definitely want to allocate more than 2 CPUs and 2 GB of memory, since we are planning on running the cluster with at least 2 nodes. Let's go ahead and set it. Once done, we can start the new Minikube cluster. I'm naming the cluster K8s-beginner. The command below will start a Kubernetes cluster with the latest stable version, and currently the version is 1.28.3. Please note that we can also add more worker nodes as and when needed with command minikube node add and list them with the command minikube node list. Now let's switch to the Kubernetes profile K8s beginner. Now let's go ahead and get our nodes with the command. You might notice that one of the node doesn't have any role assigned. We can assign it a worker role using the command as follows. And this is the only way you can label a node. So you cannot have a config file labeling a node itself. That's all for now. Next up, we will dive into setting up pods.